Hello students, this is the third part of the concept of differentiability of a function. Okay, you want to check the differentiability of the function at x equal to a. First of all, you want to check its continuity at x equal to a. After that, you need to check differentiability x equal to a. For differentiability, you need to find LHD and RHD. Both are equal and finite. We can say that the function is differentiable at the particular point. Otherwise, the function is not differentiable at the particular point. Okay. So here one example problem, students. Check the differentiability of this function at x equal to 0. Easy problem. First of all, I want to check the continuity. Okay, at 0 only, no, I want to find f of 0, that is f of 0 plus, both are give same rules, 0 and 0 plus, that is equal to 3 only. F of 0 minus I want, in this rule put x equal 0, 3 only. So f is continuous at x equal to 3. Now differentiability, checking for differentiability. Okay, none. Checking for differentiability. What should find? F dash of 0 minus should find. That is called LHD. That is called limiting value of f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h tending to 0. So limiting value of f of 0 minus here second rule. In that rule put instead of x minus h or 0 minus h. 3 minus half minus h. Okay, minus f of 0 means in the first function put x equal 0, what will get? 3 only. 3 by minus h tending to 0. Now I want to simplify. 3 plus h minus 3 by minus h. This get cancelled. H by minus h minus 1. So I can say that minus 1. So what I got? LHD I got minus 1. Now I want to find RHD, students. RHD, that is called f dash of 0 plus, which is same as limiting value of f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h is tending to 0. 0 plus h rule, where is first one on 0 plus h rule. Okay, so instead of x I want to write 0 plus h, 3 plus 0 plus h minus f of 0, 3 only, h, limit h is tending to 0. So what happened here? 3 get cancelled, h by h means 1. So what happened? LHD equal to minus 1, but RHD equal to 1. LHD not equal to RHD. Therefore, f is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay, students. So another way also I can, students, after checking continuity, we want to check the differentiability by differentiation concept. I want to find f dash of x, that is equal to 3, 1 and 3 minus x minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 0 for x less than 0. Here only f dash of 0 minus you want, 0 minus this rule, instead of x you write 0 minus, x is not there, that is minus 1. F dash of 0 plus I want to find, 0 plus here, that is 1. So what happened? F of 0 minus not equal to f of 0 plus. Here only you can say that the function is not differentiable. This is the method 3 actually. In objective type problems you can use this method, Nana. So method 3, by using method 3 also I found that the function is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Or you can use its graph also, graphical concept also, that also important. I will show you, students, how to draw the graph. For all problems, no need to use all the three methods. Just I am explaining, no. That's why I am using all the three methods. Okay, students. Now I want to draw the graph of both the functions. What is the graph? First of all, y equal to 3 plus x graph, which is not passes through origin. X equal to 0, y equal to 3, y equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. So 0 comma 3 somewhere here, 0 comma 3 somewhere here, and minus 3 comma 0 somewhere here. So the line will passes through these 2 points. Okay. But we don't want total graph, students. Only for x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to x equal to 0, 3 you are getting. What is the meaning of that? This is the required graph. This portion is the required graph. So this portion is not required. Because your input value is only greater than or equal to 0. That's why, yeah, this ray is the graph for y equal to 3 plus x for x greater than or equal to 0. Next students listen. Next I want the graph of y equal to 3 minus x for x less than 0. First of all, draw the graph of y equal to 3 minus x. If x equal to 0, y equal to 3, y equal to 0, x equal to 3. So the graph will be this. I will show you, students. Yeah, this is actual graph. This is 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3. But what you want? X should be less than 0. Less than 0 means these values. This is the graph. This graph should be a rise. What I can say? No, this is our required graph. It is also the shape just like mod x only. So at this point we have sharp corner. At x equal to 0 we have sharp corner. So it is not differentiable at the particular point. Okay, students. Next problem. Check the differentiability at 1 and 3. At x equal to 1. First of all, I want to check the continuity. Okay, directly I don't want to waste time. F of 1 minus I want. See here 1 in this rule, put x equal to 1, what I will get? That is 1 minus, that is 1 only. F of 1 plus and f of 1 both are gives same here. See students, 1 lesser greater than or equal to 1. So in this rule, put x equal to 1, what we will get? That is the f of 1 minus 3 minus 1, 2. What is the meaning of that? F of 1 minus not equal to f of 1 plus. Therefore, f is not continuous at x equal to 1. If it is not continuous, it is not differentiable. Therefore, f is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay. Now I want to check continuity and differentiability at x equal to 2. Students, at 2. Continuity first of all, f of 2 minus I want, f of 3, no, not at 3, not at 2, 3, okay. F of 3 minus c, f of 3 minus f of 3, both are same rules. What is that? Put x equal to 3 in that rule, we will get 0. F of 3 plus I want, students, now, f of 3 plus in this rule, yeah, put x equal to 3, what we will get? 9 minus 12 plus 3, that equal to 0. F of 3 minus equal to f of 3 equal to f of 3 plus. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 3. Now, it may or may not differentiable, you don't know, it continuous. Now, you want to check the differentiability. Okay, students, you can use LHD, RHD concept, or direct method is there. by use differentiation concept directly I can find f dash of x, differentiating each function, x differentiation 1, 3 0, x minus 1, so 2x minus 4. This is for x less than 1. This is for 1 lesser than or equal x lesser than or equal to 3. This is for x greater than 3. Okay, students. So what happened now? At 3 directly I want to find f dash of 3 minus I want. 3 minus means here none, that is equal to minus 1. So f dash of 3 plus I want. F dash of 3 plus, instead of this rule I want to write 3, what will get f 3 plus? 6 minus 4, that equal to 2. So f dash of 3 minus not equal to f dash of 3 plus, therefore f is not differentiable at x equal to 3. Okay. Okay, students. Now what happened? Checking differentiability and intervals. Checking differentiability at intervals, an interval. Okay. Same thing. How can you check the continuity in interval? Same thing now. First one, f is said to be differentiable on open interval a comma b if it should be differentiable at every c belongs to open interval a comma b. One thing. And f dash of a plus should exist and f dash of b minus should exist. What is the meaning of this, Nana? RHD at x equal to a should exist and LHD at x equal to b should exist. That also I will write. RHD at x equal to a should exist. Here LHD at x equal to b should exist. This is the, in this way you can check the differentiability and open interval. Work. Now I want different for closed interval, students. Second one, f is said to be differentiable on closed interval a comma b. It should be differentiable at every c belongs to a comma b and f dash of a minus should be equal to f dash of a. F dash of b, I think this is a plus none. Okay. B minus should be equal to f dash of b. Okay, what the meaning of that here? RHD should exist, that value should be equal to f of a. Here LHD should exist, that value equal to f dash of b. Then you can say that the function is differentiable in the closed interval a to b. So very, very important model. Show that this function is not differentiable at x equal to a. Concept. Limiting value of sine 1 by x is tending to 0 does not exist. The reason is it oscillating function oscillating between minus 1 to 1. When x is tending to 0, so sine 1 by x value is oscillate between minus 1 to 1. Okay. To eliminate the oscillate, if we write here x or x square or x cube, then automatically the function tending to 0 only. This is oscillating between minus 1 to 1 and this is absolutely tending to 0 means what, Nana? 0 into some finite value 0 only, no? So what happened, if you want to find the limiting value or you want to show that the limiting value equal 0, so what should do, Nana? Here you want to write an x and a power which is greater than 0. Okay. That I will say. Okay. This is one thing. Second one is limiting value of sine 1 by x tending to 0 with one x or x square, whatever it may be, tending to 0 only. This is the concept. Okay. Yeah. Here also I want to check continuity, after that differentiability. Continuity. F of a equal to 0 given clearly here. F of a minus should be equal to f of a plus should be equal to limiting value of x minus a into sine of 1 minus x a, x is tending to a. Students listen, x is tending to a, x minus a tending to 0, sine 1 by 0 is oscillating between minus 1 to 1, with 1 x minus a, this is tending to 0, 0 into finite value totally 0, so I can say that 0 means f of a equal to f of a minus equal to f of a plus, therefore f is continuous at x equal to a. Now you want to check the differentiability. Differentiability. Checking for differentiability at x equal. I want to find LHD. That is f dash of a minus. That is limiting value of f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h tending to 0. So limiting value of f of a minus h, f of a minus, f of a means 0, a minus, this is the rule, no? In that rule put a minus h instead of x. A minus h minus a into sine of 1 by a minus h minus a. Minus f of a means what, now? F of a 0 by minus h tending to 0. So a get cancelled. What you will get, I will write, students, here limiting value of minus h into sine of minus 1 by h by minus h is tending to 0. So this minus h get cancelled. So what happened, I will write in next page, that equal to limiting value of sine of minus 1 by h tending to 0 does not exist. Oscillating, no? The values oscillate between minus 1 to 1. Does not exist. What is the meaning of that? LHD does not exist. Means given function is not differentiable at x equal to a. Therefore, f is not differentiable at x equal to a. Okay. This is already I explained, Anna. Just one thing is given here. A function f of x is differentiable at x equal a. The graph of f of x will have such that there is a unique tangent to the graph at the corresponding point. But if f of x not differentiable at x equal a, there will not be a unique tangent at the corresponding point of the graph. I clearly explained, Anna. situations I will give some situations. Yeah, yet x equal to a, function not continuous means not differentiable. Yet x equal to a, function is continuous but not differentiable. The reason is it have a sharp corner. Yeah, this function is in this domain continuous as well as differentiable. Is everywhere you can draw a unique tangent. Understood? Yeah, this is another important concept, students. Finding equation of tangent. Okay, before that, if a straight line is given on a coordinate plane, how to find its equation? So we need at least 2 points. If at least 2 points are required to find the equation of a straight line, or at least 1 point and its slope. For example, point is given as x1, y1 and slope of the line is given as m, then you can find equation of the straight line. What is that? Y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. Okay, if you want to find the equation of a straight line, we need at least 2 points on that line, or 1 point and slope. Then you can find its equation by using this formula. Y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. Okay, students? Now what the meaning of this concept is, if a curve is given, on that curve a point is taken P, through that P if possible to construct an unique tangent, then what is the equation of this unique tangent? Equation. How to find equation? We want to find equation of this. 2 things should know. Basically, slope of that line. Second one is a point on that line. Okay. For example, the point is given 1, 7. P is 1, 7, and curve is given as y is equal to some x square plus 3. Should satisfy, no? That 1, 9, 7 equal to, yeah, x square plus 6 is given, for example. The curve is given as y equal to x square plus 6. A point P 1, 7 is given on that curve. Through that point, if we can draw a unique tangent, then what is that equation? What is slope, Nana? What is the slope? Should I explain? No. What is the slope of that line? That is nothing but f dash of 1 only. No. F dash of 1 only, slope of this curve at the point P. After finding f dash of 1, we will get the slope of the line. Already point is there. By using point slope form, you can find its equation. Students, once again listen, same thing. I want to explain with care. This is very important. For example, this is a parabola. Name is given by y is equal to x square plus 6. A point is taken P 1, 7. The question is, through 1, 7, if unique tangent is possible, then what is its equation? Straight line, no? You want to find equation straight line, you should know its slope and a point on it. Already point on it, it is 1, 7. No? It is better to know its slope. Should I explain clearly? Slope of this line is nothing but first derivative of the function at P. Okay, at P means 1, 7. So what I explained, that is nothing but I will write slope of tangent if exist. In this example it exists, no? If exist, equal to f dash of 1, that equal to LHD, that equal to RHD, anything, LHD or RHD. Differentiability concept, I am not using differentiation concept. Both are same only, but not at started differentiation concept. By using the differentiability concept, I want to find f dash of 1. If tangent exists, f dash of 1 is nothing but LHD only, that is nothing but RHD only. Using LHD, I can find f dash of 1. After that, by using this point, I can find the equation. Students, listen. LHD. Limiting value of f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 by minus h tending to 0. That is same as limiting value of 1 minus h whole square plus 6 f of 1, substitute 1, you get 7 by minus h. H is tending to 0. To find limiting value of this, you can use any method. You can use L'Hopital or factorization, whatever it may be, your wish. Okay, what happened? I will write 1 plus h square minus 2h plus 6 minus 7 by h, limiting value h is tending to 0, minus h I think. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Here 6 plus 1, 7, 7 get cancelled, h is taken common, h minus 2 by minus h. Limiting value h is tending to 0. This get cancelled, tending to 0, 2. What is the meaning of that? F dash of 1 equal to 2, I can directly can say. No need to find RHD. Why? This is a graph, smooth graph, no? It doesn't have any sharp corners. Everywhere it is differentiable. At 1, 7 also differentiable. So what I got LHD, that only you will get RHD. That is not big issue. Okay. Therefore, equation of line, equation of tangent at P1, 7. Yeah, what is that? Y minus y1 equal slope m2, that is LHD, that only the slope, equal to x minus x1. So y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 2, or I can say 2x minus 2 minus 5 plus 7 equal to 0, or 2x minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of required tangent, student. So equation of this line you got. If possible, find the equation of tangent to the following curves at the origin points. Okay. So y equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 28x plus 1. I am not using differentiation method. I want to use differentiability method only at x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 1 only. Indirectly what happened? The point P is equal to 0, at that point, at that something that cubic graph, not quadratic. Okay, at this point 0, 1, we want to find equation of the tangent. So what is the slope of this straight line, Anna? That is nothing but LHD or RHD of this function at the particular point. Okay, that is nothing but f dash of 0, that is a slope, that is LHD, that is nothing but RHD. So I will find RHD now. Limiting value of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. H is tending to 0. You have a 0 plus h. Where is the rule here? So I will write in next page. 0 plus h cube plus 3 times of 0 plus h square plus 28 times of 0 plus h plus 1 minus what? F of 0. F of 0 means instead of that write 0, you will get 1 by h. H is tending to 0. So directly I want to write, students, limiting value of h cube plus 3h square plus 28h. This one get cancelled by h. H is tending to 0. So what happened? Limiting value of h is taken cancelled. H square plus 3h plus 28, h is tending to 0. So what happened, Anna? F dash of 1 equal to 28, that only the slope. 28 you have a slope. By use slope point form I can find the equation. Equation of, actually students, important thing is this is a smooth curve. That's why I found only the RHD. Actually you need to find LHD and RHD clearly, if possible. So for this function and the remaining function, try to find both LHD and RHD, then only you can conclude that is the slope. Okay. Equation of curve, equation of tangent equal to y minus y1 equal to slope just now 28 into x minus 0, or y minus 1 equal to 28x, or 28x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of the required tangent. Yeah, now I want to explore one more problem, students, here, which is better. Okay. Yeah, y is equal signum of x square, signum function concept, at x equal to 0. Okay, so slope m equal to LHD equal to RHD if exist. So I want to find RHD, that is f dash of 0 plus limiting value of f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. H is tending to 0. 0 plus h means 0 point something, 0 point something, square of 0 point something, signum of 0 point something. Everyone knows signum graph, and 0 point something, that is 1 I can write. F of 0 only, signum of 0 only, by h, limit h is tending to 0. So what happened here, denominator is absolutely equal to 1, sorry 0 no, numerator is absolutely equal to 1, denominator tending to 0 means total function is tending to infinity. What the meaning of that? RHD is not exist, means slope is not existing, means tangent equation you can't find. Okay, therefore tangent equation does not exist, or tangent does not exist at the point x equal to 0. Tangent does not exist. Okay, at x equal to 0 for this problem. Okay, in this way you people can complete third and fourth problems.